We've all heard the saying, money can't buy happiness. But let's be honest, it sure can buy some wild hobbies. Because nothing screams, I've got way too much time and money on my hands, like falconry lessons, yacht racing, or hoarding rare wines that you'll never actually drink. If you've ever wondered how the wealthy elite fight off boredom, you're in for a treat. Today, we're exploring some of history's most ridiculously lavish pastimes, hobbies that scream rich boredom in the best way possible. From outrageous sports to over-the-top collections, we'll show you what happens when you have the cash to spare and the desire to do something completely excessive. Now, you might be thinking, these hobbies are for billionaires. I could never pull this off. But here's the thing. Why not you? Imposter syndrome has a way of tricking us into thinking we don't belong in certain spaces. But the truth? Most people who indulge in these extravagant pastimes weren't born into them. They just decided to show up. The key isn't having unlimited money, it's having the right mindset. Think about what already excites you, and I'll match you with the rich person version of it. And who knows? You might just find your next expensive obsession. It's never too late to start a new hobby. Here's how the world's wealthiest have transformed simple pastimes into extravagant, over-the-top hobbies fit for royalty. Falconry, once reserved for royalty, remains a luxurious hobby today, involving custom falcon hoods, exotic hunting trips, and expensive bird care. Yacht racing takes luxury to the next level, with custom-built vessels, professional crews, and million-dollar race fees. The ultra-wealthy also collect rare wines, often worth more than a house, purely for status. Astronomy, a hobby of elites like King George III, now sees the rich building personal observatories. Nikola Tesla had an unusual passion for pigeons, while Howard Hughes designed and built planes, including the iconic Spruce Goose. Queen Victoria documented her life through detailed journals and art, and Countess Castiglione used photography to craft her legacy. J.P. Morgan collected rare gems, art, and books, donating much to museums. Marjorie Merriweather Post amassed treasures like Marie Antoinette's china and Russian imperial jewels, filling estates like Mar-a-Lago with historical artifacts. Even without vast wealth, you can embrace luxurious hobbies like horseback riding or vintage watch collecting, proving passion and creativity can make any pursuit feel elite. Love spending time outdoors? Try falconry. You don't need to own a castle. Many clubs offer beginner lessons. You'll look like royalty in no time, obsessed with speed and competition. Yacht racing might sound extreme, but you can start by crewing on a local sailboat. Who knows? You could be navigating the high seas in luxury someday. A fan of collecting cool things? If you already love vintage vinyl, sneakers, or books, why not elevate your game with rare wines or vintage antiques? It's just collecting, but with a touch of elite flair. The truth is, most hobbies start with curiosity, not trust. If you want to live like the wealthy, start thinking like them. Embrace new experiences, surround yourself with people who push your limits, and just show up. These extreme hobbies might sound excessive, but hey, it's all about finding ways to keep your mind sharp, stay creative, and, of course, enjoy life to the fullest. The rich may have the means to turn their boredom into extravagant pastimes, but you can always live a little lavishly too. So, which ridiculous hobby will you try next? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button if you think you could rock one of these ridiculously lavish hobbies. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes it's not about having the money to do it, it's about having the imagination.